everybody, and welcome to my video today, you guys, and welcome to April. I can't believe that we are already in April. It's a very special, very fun month. It's my birthday month, so I have some fun things planned and coming up for you guys. And in my video today, we're going to make 3 cards, and this is actually my host code customer appreciation giveaway for this month. We're going to be using this stamp set. This is the Picture Perfect Birthday stamp set. I love this set. We've used it for a couple things already, and this is the stamp set I will be using in my local card class, along with my crafty card kits to go use this stamp set. So if you pick up my crafty card kits to go, you'll already have the stamp set, and then you can put together the gifts if you place a order with me this month. So the way my host code works is it's opened all month long. You use that host code. If you place a $50 order or more with me, you get my customer appreciation gift. So this month is going to be one of these 3 rolls of ribbon. You will get one. These are the celebration ribbons that were offered during celebrations, and you guys, I placed lots of orders during celebration, and I chose to get all of this ribbon so I could give it back to you guys. So this ribbon is not in the catalog. It was a free item offered, so you'll get either the blue, the orangey color, this is a Calypso Coral, or a black. So one of these will be in your goodies, and then you're going to get 3 card kits, and that's what we're going to make today. And they're going to be using this really fun birthday paper. This goes with the Picture Perfect birthday stamp set. It's all in the same suite of product. And I wasn't sure I was going to like this paper when I first saw it, but as I've used it more and played with it more, I actually have come to like it. So let's get started because we have 3 entire cards to make. You will get all of these pieces. So the way it will work is you will have all of your card kit pieces in a clear bag, and then your ribbon will probably be right in that bag as well. And then when you get your items, you'll dump everything out. You'll have 3 cards to make. It will come with envelopes, so you'll have envelopes as well. And then you'll get to put these together. So the first card kit we're going to put together is going to have this Peekaboo Peach card base. This color right here, Peekaboo Peach, is retiring this month. So we have a lot of retiring items coming out this month because our list of items that are not carrying over to the new catalog comes out this month. This color right here is an in color that I'm sure will sell out in the next couple weeks. So you're going to have a Peekaboo Peach card base, and it's going to open like this. We're going to attach a basic black card front to that. So this is just going to be the entire front of the card, just like this. We have the Peekaboo Peach card base. That way it's a little bit easier to write inside. The other items you're going to have is you will have a strip of cardstock. Now it will either be this cardstock or it will be striped. So depending on which kit you get, you will have one of those 2 designs. For this card, I'm going to use this design right here. And what we're going to do is use the grid mat to line everything up. And we're going to do that not quite in the middle, a little bit down from the middle of that. And then the next few things you're going to have is you will have a vellum circle. This is vellum. And then you're going to have a Peekaboo Peach circle. And what we're going to do is we are going to grab the Celebrate the Good Stuff that's in the stamp set. And you can just use your black ink to go ahead and stamp this. Just like that. You'll put a little bit of snail on the back of the Peekaboo Peach piece, and then just attach that to your vellum. You will see when I flip this over, it was stamped on there because I messed up and I wanted to re-stamp it. And then I'm just going to put a little bit of foam right here on the vellum. And then we will stick this circle right on here. And I love how simple that is. It's a really simple design, and you could do this for a birthday card, a thank you card. The design is really great. So then we'll just take and sprinkle some rhinestones on this. If you had the sequins that go with these colors, you could do that as well. You guys know I always reach for my rhinestones. So now they just look like they're sprinkling down the card. So this is our first card. So you'll have all the pieces to make that card. So these are all the pieces that you will get. If you ever are cutting your cardstock and you have these little frayed edges, just take this is a nail file, an emery board, and just run that along your cardstock. Your cardstock for me will not look like that. I'll make sure that it's all nice and pretty for you guys. But just in case you're cutting your own cardstock and you see that happening. So you're going to have a white card base. It will already be folded for you. And what you're going to want to do is, this is a berry burst piece of cardstock, and it can go right on your Whisper White. This is going to cover that up, and then inside your card will be white so that you will be able to write your message in there. And you can even stamp if you have some stamps that, you know, have messages that go inside the card. You can do that. So your next piece is going to be this tiny little strip right here. We'll use our grid mat to line everything up. And what you're going to want to do is we need our black piece first, you guys. I almost told you wrong instructions. So we can go ahead and do our black piece. So this just has a 1/4 inch taken off of the cardstock. So the card is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and then our black piece is 4 by 5 1/4. So then this strip right here, we're gonna put right on the edge. I'm not going to leave very much black showing. You can see it's just this tiny little strip. And then you will have either this piece, which is the donut piece, which is super cute, or this balloon piece, or the sequence piece. So those are the 3 different designs. So you'll have one of those designs. We're going to use the donut piece right now, and all you have to do is now layer this right on here. You can leave as much of that striped piece showing as you want. Next you have these pieces here. So you have this white circle, and we'll take from the stamp set another sentiment. You can pick whichever one you want. I'm gonna use the happiest birthday. And you can use whatever color you want. I want to coordinate with this. So I could use Lemon Lime Twist, or I could use Berry Burst. I think I'm going to use Berry Burst. And on one of my other cards, I used Lemon Lime Twist. So you'll see how that looks. Happiest birthday. Let's close this up. So we can put a little foam tape on, or you can just use your adhesive. You don't have to pop this up. I like to. Now we'll layer this right on the card. So, and then I'm going to take my 3 stars here, and 1 star I'm just going to put regular adhesive on. This one's going to hang off my circle a little bit. This one is going to go right there, and this one will go here. So that's our 3rd card. We'll set that aside. And then let's make our very last card. So the pieces that you will find will be these right here. So you will have a black card base, and it's going to open like this. It's going to go in that direction. And then you will have these pieces right here. So you're either going to have this design, or you will have a candle design. So let me show you the candle design. So either this candle, these candles, or this. So I'll show you the way the candle one looks as soon as we're done putting this together, but I want to show you guys the steps to put this together. So we'll layer this onto our blue. Then we're going to take our Lemon Lime Twist ribbon, and we're just going to do a cheater method bow. So we're going to wrap our ribbon back over, and now our cheater method bow, we're going to take the smaller piece of ribbon you have, and you will just tie that in a knot. So it's going to look like this beautiful bow that you took all this time to tie, and you really didn't have to. Okay, so if you get the candle design, you will have different ribbon for that, and I'll show you guys what that will be. Okay, so then you're going to have this Celebrate die cut, and we're going to add that. I just put a couple dots here using my liquid adhesive. You don't have to have every spot covered. So I've just put some foam right on the back of this one, and then we'll attach this right in the middle. And that is our third card. Let me show you how this card looks with the other design of paper. So if you get the birthday candles, you'll get this ribbon right here, and then you'll have birthday candles, and then it'll be a lemon lime twist card base. So that's how those look. So those are the two different designs. Then there is this card right here. So here I used lemon lime twist, and there's the bows here, and then this one is the donuts, which with this you can't really tell it's donuts. It may look like balloons, but those are that design. And then the very last one is this one right here. So those are the 3 cards that you will be able to make. You simply use the host code for this month. You will get 3 card kits, and then you will get a roll of ribbon, and it'll be one of these 3 colors. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing these cards. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, checking out my video. I will have the host code listed below, along with a supply list of all of the items I used. Use that host code all of this month, and this is what you will get. I will send you a little goodie in the mail. All of my stuff, you guys, now ships out towards the end of the month, but you do receive an email from me right away that says thank you so much for your order, and then I let you know when your items will be shipped. We'll be wrapping up the Just Because series this week, which is the really fun items that Chris made, and I'm so excited to welcome Chris onto my Stampin' Up team. She joined with me the last day of Celebrations, and I'm ecstatic to have her here. So you guys are going to be seeing lots of fun things now with Chris and I, that she is officially a part of the Stampin' Up family. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I will be back later this week, you guys. Have a wonderful day. Much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.